I don't know about you guys, but I really like that startup music. Thank you, Brian. Brian Chiha has came up with that tune all by his own, and it's the startup tune for the Monitor 3, which is made specifically for the TEC-1G. And that's what we're going to be talking about in this channel. It's going to be a brand new channel that focuses completely on the TEC-1G and its ecosystem. I'm Mark, by the way, and I'm the designer of the TEC-1G, and I'm going to be going through making a number of videos on how to build the TEC-1G from scratch. I'm going to start a new build. So this is obviously a made up one. It's all completed and works fine. This is the special edition, 40th anniversary edition. But I'll be starting a new one. We're actually going to be releasing a new board soon, TM, and I'll start from scratch and build it up so that you can see how the proper process is. Because believe it or not, we do have some documentation on the GitHub, but it's not finished yet. Apologies, and it will be finished one day, promise. But right now, the people are just asking questions, and believe it or not, there's some questions of where parts might fit necessarily, and what the switches do and everything. So, and that really should be documented properly. So apologies now that doesn't exist right now, but it will shortly. And I'm going to be making this video channel specifically to do with the TEC-1G. So hope you enjoy it. And build it up and then demo it and show how it's going to be used, etc. So the software, by the way, for the real-time clock and the SD card is being made as we speak by Craig Hart. So a huge thank you out to Craig for supporting and developing the software that's really a requirement for any computer. Huge thank you, of course, out to Brian for making Monitor 3. While I'm here giving thank yous, Ian, McLean, thank you for your beta testing during the beta phase of TEC-1G. Also, James, thank you. And of course, we can't not say thank you to ineffable John Hardy and Ken Stone for making the originals. And John Hardy has been helping us with the marketing of the TEC-1G and giving us guidance as to how it should be, how it should work, etc., and making sure it's backward compatible with the originals. So thank you to those guys for putting in all your efforts to make the TEC-1G, and I hope you guys enjoy the channel. Feel free to leave a comment and let us know what you'd like to see. If there's anything in particular that you'd like to see displayed or built or demoed, etc. Thank you for watching, and welcome to the TEC-1G.